Hello and welcome to the CRN technical series. My name is Bisso and today we are kicking off with an exciting topic that is the foundation of ethical hacking, penetration testing. Now, I know the term penetration testing might sound technical, but don't worry. I'm going to break it down using the real life examples so that even if you are new in cybersecurity, you will understand it easily. So let's get started. Let's imagine you are moving into a new house. You want to make sure your doors and windows are locked properly, right? So you can ask your friend to check if they can break in. They try the windows, test the locks, and even see if they are sneak into the basement. If they find a way, they will tell you so you can fix it before a real thief comes. That's exactly what penetration testers do, but instead of houses, they test computer system, websites, and network to find weakness before hacker can exploit them. In simple terms, penetration testing or pen testing is a legal and controlled hacking process. Organizations hire ethical hacker to test their security just like you had tested home security. And why does it matter? Because in today's world, criminals are always looking for ways to break into systems. If companies don't test their security regularly, they could suffer data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. So penetration testing is not just randomly attacking a system. It follows a structured process with 5 key phases. Let me explain each of it with simple example. Phase 1, reconnaissance. It's like information gathering. Think about when you want to apply for a job. At first, you check the company website, find the detail about their work, and look up employees on LinkedIn, and maybe even search for the interview tips. In penetration testing, we do the same thing, but with a target system. We gather information like domain names, IP addresses, and employee details. The more we know, the easier it is to find weaknesses. Phase second is scanning. It's like finding a weak spot. Now, let's say you have entered a building and you want to know which doors are unlocked. You walk around checking handles to see which one opens. That's exactly what we do in scanning. We use the tools like Nmap to check which ports and services are open on the target system. Phase 3 is exploitation, that is breaking in. Imagine you find an unlocked window in the building. What do? If you are a security expert, you test if you can get inside without breaking anything. In penetration testing, we use the tools like Metasploit to exploit the vulnerabilities and gain access, just like a burglar might test a weak door lock. Phase 4 is post-exploitation. It's exploring the system. Once inside the building, a thief might look for valuables, check hidden rooms, or even install a separate camera. Likewise, for ethical hackers, this means checking how much access we have. If we can steal the sensitive data and whether we can move deeper into the network. The final phase is reporting. It's fixing the issue. Finally, after we finish testing, we write a detailed report. Think of this like a doctor diagnosis after the health checkup. The report explains the weaknesses we found while doing the pen testing and how we exploit them, and most importantly, how to fix them. Now, I believe you understand how penetration testing works. Let's talk about the tools you will need to perform the penetration testing. So most known pen testing tools is Kali Linux. It is a hacking toolkit filled with free installed tools. Next one is Nmap. Scan networks to find open ports. Third is Metasploit, used to exploit the vulnerability, and Burp that helps to find the security flaws in the web application. And if you are thinking of getting certified, here are some top certification for penetration tester. The first one is Certified Ethical Hacker, that is also called CES. It is beginner-friendly hacking certification. Second one is Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. It is a hands-on staff certification for serious hackers. And another one is GIAC Penetration Tester, GPEN, which focus on in-depth penetration testing. So there you have it. Today we learn what penetration testing and why it matters, the 5 key phases of ethical hacking, the tools and certification to get started, and a real-life example of how pen testing prevents cyber theft. If you are interested in ethical hacking and want to start a journey, check out the resources in the description. Want to see more technical video like this? Hit the like button, subscribe to CRN for weekly cybersecurity content, and drop a comment with a thought or question. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of the CRN Technical Series. Thank you.